Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new video. It is your boy Bernard and I'm back with a brand new video. It's your boy Bernard. Today we're going to be playing demo and let's go to my thing. Yesterday I couldn't upload a video. I was filming a video but then that video couldn't upload since it was like nighttime at 9 o'clock, 8 o'clock. So that's how life goes, you know. Sometimes it's gonna happen. But I'll show you if you don't know the basics of Minecraft. So oh my god, stop lagging. I guess that's how it's supposed to be. So basically, like wherever you go, you can click E on your computer. Or, yeah, this is basically for computer. You can craft all your stuff, and then in your little, I don't know how to say it actually. I'm sorry if I'm not filling with my screen. But yeah, I'm using headphones. So, by the way, if you want to click on that, right click, then you get a big space right here. You can do whatever you want with it. Raw salmon. I don't know what I can do with this one, but you know, I can at least try to create anything. What about the 2 apples? Let's see if I can do anything with that. There you go. There we. Oh, come on! I actually didn't know the basics of Minecraft so much times on the PC. This is just a demo, so if you guys want to get a demo, you can just go to the Minecraft thing, and then you can just get your account there. Just go to downloads, and then you can go for demo. If you want to purchase it, you can, but you have to make your account. Have to have your you have to be at least teen and stuff. So. You need to have your own bank account, I guess. That's all the things you need. Let's go click on this one. Birch log. And let's put this in our thing. This is gonna be so good, guys. Oh, one of my things fell off. Birch wood. We're gonna get that and dirt. Let's just get that. We got a wooden axe. I thought this was a wooden hoe. Huh. Where is it? Oh no, wooden axe. No. Wait! Check your recipe book. I don't know where my recipe book is, bro. Bro, where is this? Yeah, we can't find it, bro. Come on. I guess this is how it goes. So, I couldn't film. Well, I filmed, but you know, I couldn't upload it. So this is what we're gonna do. I'm basically gonna make my house. What the heck? I'm basically gonna make my house here. Oh, come on, bro. This is just too mean. Too mean. I don't know. How do I crouch? If I crouch. There we go. There we go. There we go. There. We're gonna make this a small cottage for now. Come on, brick. I don't really need this for any cause, so I'll just leave this right here. I'll just get that chest right there if I ever need it. Fill this entire thing like that. Okay, now we're gonna start getting the basic walls up. This time you're gonna definitely want to use some logs if you're definitely. This is not like a professional kind of tutorial. It's not really actually a tutorial. It could be a tutorial. Well, it might be. It's not. I'm not doing this video just for the purpose of tutorials. I'm just doing this for fun and some amazing things for all my family. Not family, but you know, people to love. Okay. I would like to make a bunch of people really happy of my things that I do. So it's gonna be really amazing. Yeah. So. Let's at least get something good. I want to get, the purpose of my videos are to make so much people happy of what I do. So Basically, I gotta go underwater. Okay. Later on this day, I'm gonna be making. Well, right after I finish this video, go check out my other video. It's gonna be right after this video. So get back. Okay. Oh, planes. I need to start getting more wood. Is what I need to do right now. Go get some more wood. I need to craft some more things. I forget what I could craft. I usually don't play Minecraft like 24 hours. Minecraft is like one of the best, is actually the best game for me. It is what my option as I would do. I would play Minecraft 24 hours. No Fortnite, no creative destruction, no anything. Only Fortnite and Fortnite for all. Underwater time. Well, actually, no, not underwater. I'm not gonna be in underwater. There we go. And let's go. 3, 2, 1, jump. There we go. And my thing is all good. This one's gonna be pretty hard to do. But you know, your boy would not always have something idea. There we go. That's what I'm talking about. Some ideas actually, not like ideas, I guess. Yeah. There you go. Let's go ahead and get that one. Torch. Got that torch. I guess that's where we can whatever not. Okay, now once we get that, we need to get some of this part all clean like that. There we go. We need to get some sand. We need to get the. Well, let's see what we have in our right inventory. We got some of this furnace. We need to definitely get you need to definitely get some cobblestone in order to make a furnace. And all those people who think I'm really smart at the game that you guys think on this one, I'm actually not. Telling you guys, I'm not. I'm terrible at this game. Everyone calls me in my school a noob. I don't know why. That's mean though. Okay, off to an adventure. Where do I go now? Wait a sec. I need to get some more wood. But mostly need some things to make a furnace. I need to go around and get some big wood. Get this tree. I don't know why Minecraft is all blocks instead of real things. And the road. You might think that I'm going too far. I'm actually not. I'm going pretty close. I'm actually pretty close. If you go in the map, then that just means I'm pretty close on here. Didn't that just lag? No, this is taking like for years and years and years and years and years and years. There we go. Oh my god. Let's go up here. Let's go up here. Jump, mister. Jump, mister. Jump, mister. There we go. Minecraft is honestly my favorite game from now. If you guys do not know, it is. I've been playing Minecraft since I was like 7. I'm 8 right now. That's like 1 year. Yeah, that actually is 1 year. 13 wood. 14 wood. We need a lot of wood to make a lot of furnaces, just in case if we're lost. Not furnaces, cobblestones. It's getting nighttime. We should start building our house. There we go. Boom, 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 boom. Okay. Well, actually, no. There we go. There we go. There we go. There we go. We don't need to fill up the corner. Wait. Come on! Is this what life wants me to happen? Is this life? Is this? Yeah, actually, no. I'm pretty good with this. I'm pretty good with this. Oak log. Oh, yeah, this is actually oak log, not wood. Wood and oak log are different things, I think, in Minecraft. I don't need to fart all day. What do I do now? The other video that I was talking about already. It's like a story thing. This. I have unlimited. There you go. I'm a hot boy crowd. Yeah, we don't actually need it. But just in case, I'll just take that. Thank you. I'm a hot boy crowd. Just in my right there. I think that was a spider. I definitely need to make a roofing. I'm a hot boy forest. Yeah, that's probably too far. Oh wait. Oh wait. Like, well, just ignore you right there. I don't need to go outside. Flying something around. 3, 2, 1, pull dives! Amazing pull dive. Pull dive is my life. Pull dive, I need to outside. Mr. Why is there a fly here? Oh my god. My guys, I think we're gonna probably stop this. I don't know where cobblestones are, but yeah. There's that there. But yeah, I think this is gonna be all for today. Let's go here. Come on, right there. Get that. Get that with that. And then I'm gonna use that. Oh wait, what? I need to use